Breathe deeply. It's okay if you're feeling restless right now. So many of us believe we can't meditate because our minds race and our bodies. We imagine that true meditation requires, but let me share a gentle truth with you. Meditation isn't about forcing yourself to be still. It's about coming home to this moment again and again with patience and kindness. Your restless energy is welcome here. Your busy thoughts are not a problem to solve. Meditation begins when you choose to stay present with whatever is arising. You can meditate while taking a slow, mindful walk. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Notice the rhythm of your breath. You can meditate while washing dishes, letting the warm water flow over your hands. Observe the soap bubbles forming and dissolving. You can meditate right where you are, allowing your body to move if it needs to. Shift positions, stretch, wiggle your toes. The key is to meet your experience with gentleness. When your mind wanders, then with compassion. Guide your attention back to the present moment. This returning over and over again. It's okay if meditation feels challenging at first. Struggling with restlessness is part of the journey for all of us. Remember, you're not trying to achieve a particular state. You're cultivating presence and self-compassion, moment by moment. So release any expectations of how meditation should look or feel. Your practice is uniquely yours. Trust that by showing up just as you are, even when it doesn't feel like it, let your breath be your anchor, let your body be your teacher, and most importantly, let kindness be your guide. You're doing beautifully just by being here, just by trying. Breathe deeply once more. Feel the air filling your lungs. You are present, and in this moment,